You're looking live at hot sunshine as viewed by the EarthCam at the Charlottesville Albemarle Regional Airport. A few high clouds on that northwestern sky, a sign of a weather pattern change in our future. Hello, I'm 29 First Alert meteorologist Josh Fitzpatrick, and that is going to be a storm system off to our northwest, and that is going to be the next big thing I'm tracking here in the Weather Center. It's a weak cold front that will be arriving here later on Wednesday into Wednesday evening with a low end risk for a strong to severe thunderstorm. We'll take a look at futurecast and the timing momentarily. But first things first, in that first forecast on this Tuesday, we'll have a hot sunshiny conditions, a high sunburn index this time of the year with daytime highs in the upper 80s and low 90s, a southwesterly wind, and that southwest wind will keep us hotter and more muggy, especially into tonight and tomorrow. Radar is dry right now, and it will stay that way, I guarantee it, today, tonight, and into the first half of Wednesday. But here comes a weakening band of storms moving across the Ohio Valley, and that is the same front that will head our way in about 24 hours from now. So we can look at the Storm Prediction Center. This is their updated look at the risk for severe weather, and especially north of Route 33 into northern Virginia especially, there could be a scattered severe thunderstorm, but we are all in a low level risk for an isolated strong to severe thunderstorm. The timing is basically 2 to 9 p.m. on Wednesday, and any thunderstorm may produce some localized damaging wind gusts. The overall large hail and tornado threat is very, very low, if not near zero. We can time it out now with the futurecast. Here's this evening. That weakening band of storms out of Ohio will never make it east of the Allegheny Highlands into West Virginia and Maryland. And we are dry tonight and into the first half of Wednesday. Here's Wednesday morning, just a few high clouds, and it will be a lot more hot and a lot more muggy tomorrow. Daytime highs well in the 90s before any shower and storm. But here's 2 p.m. on Wednesday. Isolated storms begin to percolate, and then a scattered storm into the evening hours. But you'll notice not everybody will see rainfall from the system, and then expect a drying trend on Thursday, Friday, isolated activity on Saturday, and Sunday is the day to watch our next best chances for a shower, downpour, and thunderstorm with a stronger cold front, and severe weather cannot be ruled out. We'll see about that on Sunday. And the temperature trends are going to be the hottest on Wednesday and then again Sunday, and there's that slight cool down on Friday in the upper 80s, more typical of this time of the year. And then the first couple days of July look to be pretty nice with highs in the 80s and a drier atmosphere. In your 29 First Alert forecast for today, hot sunshine, a southwest wind with highs in the upper 80s and low 90s. For tonight, it'll be mild and muggy with lows by dawn in the 60s and the lower 70s. Now tomorrow will be the hottest day of this week with highs in the mid to upper 90s east of the Blue Ridge, low 90s for the valley. A scattered shower and thunderstorm will develop. Localized severe weather cannot be ruled out between 2 to 9 p.m. That's the time frame right now. 7-day forecast, drying out Thursday, Friday, most of Saturday. Our next storm risk is Sunday, followed by heat-busting storms for the start of next week. Right now, so far so good for the first few days of July. Steve?
All right, Josh, thank you.